Hey y'all, what's up? It's Megan and welcome back. In today's video, as I kind of low-key told you guys, I have another Fendace unboxing, kind of sort of, because I've been having this a while, so it's already open, but it's an unboxing to y'all. Do y'all get what I'm saying? But yeah, anyway, I got some things to say because I was not completely happy, and yes, I do believe Fendi still tricked me even though I received the item, and I'm going to tell you guys why. So if you want to hear all the deets, girl, then of course stay right here because I'm going to let you know. Okay, so just to catch you guys up, for those that didn't watch my last video, I made an order for Fendace from both sides. So I did an order for Fendace from the Versace side, which were the men's Greca sneakers, and I also did a Fendi order for these Fendi V1 sunglasses. I believe it's the V1s, not the V2s. I'll put it down below if it is V2s, but I'm pretty positive these are the V1s. And as I mentioned before, I made both of those orders on the same day. Fendace came out Thursday, and I made my order the following day on the Friday. My Versace order had no issues. It came relatively quick within a week. But when I made the order for my sunglasses, Fendi said that they were under pre-order. Now, why they were under pre-order, I have no idea. That was literally the only item that was on pre-order on the website that day. Even the other sunglasses were in stock and ready to ship, I guess. But I still decided to order it because I figure, you know, if they're allowing orders, then everything should be okay. My sneakers come in, like I said, a week later. Decided those weren't going to work. Hurry up and ship those back. And I did all of that and still really never got any notification for my sunglasses. So maybe the second week or like a week and a half, something like that, they send me an email letting me know that it shipped. And I'll put the emails right here, not the whole emails, but how it came through, because it was literally 1 minute apart from them telling me it shipped, and they sent another email saying that my order was canceled. How did they determine that in 1 minute? I'm thinking somebody probably did something wrong and it was sent in error, but that would have been appreciative if they would have told me that. But they actually sent a follow-up email saying that my order was canceled and they regret they had to do it, blah blah blah, shop the website, yeah. So at this point I'm like, really, why would y'all do that to get my hopes up? So at that point I was like, I'm not reordering them because they were still available on the website. So I'm like, how? So I was like, okay, whatever. So I make my other video. I know I'm going into it, but I gotta give, you know, context to why I feel like I was tricked. Yeah, I do my video on the shoes, and then something told me to check the tracking, because that initial, hey, it's been shipped email had a tracking number. But of course, if you click on it the first day, it's not gonna say anything, because on that first day usually it doesn't do anything, because you know your package is just sitting there waiting for them to send it through, you know, the transit or whatever. So something told me to look, and when I saw, I was like, this package is actually moving. So I was like, wow, like, why would they do that? It's just crazy. A couple of days after me seeing the tracking, the sunglasses came in, because when I saw it, it was pretty much close to Texas. So I was like, cool, they're about to come in. They come in on the Saturday. I think when I checked, it was like a Wednesday or a Thursday or something. So they come in, and I was very disappointed with how it was packaged. It comes in the box like this. So when you open the box, it's just this bag laying flat, and this is how the box looked. It just came in a regular Fendi box like this, but they had no type of stuffing to where like it's protected from it being in transit. So you know how these postal carriers, UPS and FedEx, whatever, they just throw your stuff around. Like my stuff was probably doing like this, during the entire process. So I'm like, that's crazy. Like, it's literally just smack dab in the box without nothing, not even tissue paper, nothing. They protected the the shoes better than they protected this, but of course that's on the Versace side, so different companies. But I was very unimpressed with that. I was actually low-key mad about it, because I'm like, what if my sunglasses would have got damaged by that or broken? I would have had to go through the hassle of filing a claim and letting them know. And from what I saw, the Fendi process to return is more of a headache than it was for Versace. But anyway, thankfully nothing happened. I was also disappointed by how the sunglasses themselves were packaged, because instead of having a sunglass case like normal designer sunglasses have, they put it in this rinky-dink pouch. Like, how is this gonna protect my sunglasses? This would only help against scratches. It's not gonna help against damage. It's just a glorified like cloth pouch. It has like this thick felt kind of thing on the inside. It's not exactly felt, it's something real smooth. I'm sure it really made it nice to where it didn't get scratches, but it's not protective at all, and I'm disappointed by that, because for paying over $500 for sunglasses, I should have gotten a case. Even if y'all would have had to go get a case off of regular sunglasses, I would have been okay with that rather than this. I mean, I can't do nothing with this. This is just gonna sit there, because I'm gonna keep them in a Ziploc bag before I keep them in this, because I'm not gonna have a whole bunch of cotton fibers and everything all over it, because when I first took them out, that's how they looked. It was full of cotton fibers. So yeah, I was very annoyed with that, to say the least. The shipping experience and the customer service, I guess you would say, experience is a thumbs down just from this first time, because I've never ordered anything from their website before. So yeah, that was a long spiel, but here's the part that you guys really want to see, is the actual sunglasses. Here they are. I'll show you guys the Fendace logo here first. It looks really good in person. Really nice detail. And here's the back. Really, really nice, and I'll try them on for you. Now, the sunglasses themselves, absolutely love them. I mean, it just transforms your whole look, in my opinion. It's like, they just look so cool and chic. They're gonna be like, who is that? And I'll be like, who do you think you're talking to? Whom? These are those leave me alone sunglasses, because I ain't got time for you today. I mean, they just look so sleek, and I really feel like you could wear them in a whole bunch of ways. You could dress them up, or, you know, you could wear them when you're casual. I've worn them a couple times, both casual, of course, and I really kind of feel like it elevated my look, even though I was hella basic and I was not wearing anything special, just a t-shirt and some jeans, girl. But yeah, I'll let you see the side, just how it looks on the temples. There's the other side. Yeah, they look really good on. I just really love the look. It makes it all worth it. And I'll tell you guys another thing that I was worried about, and I kind of was not feeling also. These glasses are really lightweight. I felt other sunglasses from like designer companies before, and they tend to be really heavy. And I was kind of like, these just feel like Shein sunglasses. And I'm like, I'm not feeling this at all. But once I started to wear them, like actually out, I think it's actually a good thing that they're not heavy, because since I wear them so close to the edge of my nose like this, if they be heavy, it might be kind of hard to keep them like on and comfortable. You know what I mean? So it's probably a really good thing that they're not. So I've learned to be okay with that. Could have been a little bit heavier, but I mean, I'm gonna be all right. They still look bomb to me. And this is another thing, you guys, for sunglasses, just to me in general, do not wear your sunglasses like this. Like, this does nothing for your face. It looks like you don't have eyebrows. Never a good idea. If you don't want them so close, at least put them like this. You always want to see your eyebrows when you wear sunglasses, because you know you still look put together. See, that still kind of looks nice there, but I like it a little further down, closer to the edge of the nose like that. I feel like if you go too much with these, you'll start to see eyes. Sometimes there's an occasion and a particular look you could do that for, like if you're taking pictures or something cool, but I think right here, and it depends on your nose and all that too, so yeah, I really like them. And I think it was worth the wait. Because, yeah, I really think it was a good investment piece. I can now say that I got something from Fendace, so I am happy. I definitely do still feel tricked, but I'm sure someone may ask, like, why? You got what you wanted and what you ordered. But it's about the principle. It's like if you're telling a customer their order shipped and then it's canceled, most people would believe that it's canceled. So what if I would have been hell-bent on getting these sunglasses and would have ran to the website and ordered another pair? Then I would have had another $500 something held up for nothing, and I would have had to immediately just go back and return them. And then have to wait and hope that they don't get stolen, because that's becoming a thing I've been hearing, like when it comes to designer stuff, like people that work for carriers are stealing people's things in the box and just sending an empty box back. So I'm like, I don't want none of that to happen. I was so scared to return my the Fendace shoes, but thankfully everything worked out. I got my refund, so we all set over here. Yeah, so I totally feel tricked, because I feel like you shouldn't do that to your customers, because it's like you have to watch what you're doing. Yeah, not a good experience with that at all. And that's just my opinion. Y'all might not take it as serious, but I really felt tricked. Because like I said, what if I would have went to buy those sunglasses again, or went to another designer and bought some more sunglasses? If I went to another designer, then I probably would have almost kept those ones too, because obviously I would like them. Totally not cool that they did that, but yeah, that's pretty much everything that I could pretty much talk about when it comes to sunglasses. It's just, hey, you like them or you don't. And it's the quality good. I really feel like that's the only two things that you could say about sunglasses. The tint on them is really nice too. I feel like they would have looked good with a gradient as well, but I don't mind the all black lens. So I think that works out pretty good too. Yeah guys, anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe, because that'll let me know, and also YouTube, more importantly, know that you enjoyed the video. It lets them know that you're feeling it, because if you just watch it and click off after 30 seconds or watching the whole thing, YouTube is gonna be like, oh, they ain't feeling her, she whack. I mean, literally, because that's how your video gets put into the algorithm and other people get to know that I exist. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of disheartening at times, because, you know, I get a decent amount of views versus my subscriber count, but I only get like very few likes. It's like the video, you guys. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't do anything to you. But as long as you watch, I'm still happy with that too. But I know some people don't know that, but it would just really be helpful, and it helps me to keep on pushing too. It lets me know that I'm not whack. But anyway, like I said, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.